Alright, Chuck Murray here, and
Charles Foltz.
this is take 2. We had to put the dog inside, so we're gonna see if what happens if a machete or a bladed weapon actually hits a chainsaw. We don't want to use the actual props from the show because we actually need them for testing. So here we go, Charles. And there you have it.
That's what it did to the blade.
And the chainsaw's, the blade fell off. I mean, the blade completely fell off of it, so.
Rendered it inoperable.
Okay, great. Did it even spark at all?
I don't think so.
Great.
I just wanted to make note that that was done with the crappiest of all swords, the Maul Katana.